What's on my mind when I can't even sense what's wrong, what's right? There's bees in my brain and they're driving me insane. There's a new bomb drop with every single tick-tock stand near my hourglass. It just won't stop. Every drop falling sounds like a crashing plane. I don't know what I have left. I'm losing all of my breath. I don't know what I have left. Why don't suffocate struggling my neck? I don't know what I have left. I'm losing all of my breath. I don't know what I have left. Why don't suffocate struggling my neck? How can you concentrate? How can you reason when the 50,000 things you're meant to believe in? What's right? What's wrong? Why do I even care? It doesn't really come fair to the very soul that the earth is the same way today and tomorrow. We all share a bed with the soul when our time lose dry. I don't know what I have left. I'm losing all of my breath. I don't know what I have left. Why don't suffocate struggling my neck? I don't know what I have left. I'm losing all of my breath. I don't know what I have left. Why don't suffocate struggling my neck? I'd let you inside of my house, but I don't think that you'd like what is inside. The pipes have burst around me, and the water, oh, it's creeping over my thighs. I've tried to pay for the cracks, I swear I've tried. Static, running through my brain, bumps through my cranium again and again. Static, running through my brain, bumps through my cranium again and again. Static, running through my brain, bumps through my cranium again. Static, running through my brain, bumps through my cranium again and again.